Once again to Chef Eric channel. Today is another beautiful day. I'm going to do pan grilled fish cake with tartar sauce. So I have my perch fish. I'm going to start with the fish. So I first of all drop the fish fillet into the water. I add my garlic, black pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, a little salt, and some parsley. Okay. So by waiting for the fish to get cooked, I need to clean my board and I'm going to start the preparation. First of all, I will do the tartar sauce. I have my pickles here. I have to chop it nicely. Chop it nicely. This is called capers. Put it in my bowl. I chop some parsley. Some chopped onion, thinly chopped onion. Chop it well. I add a little sugar, a little pepper, and I add my mayonnaise to it. Just 2 spoons of mayonnaise, and you stir it nicely. So my tartar sauce is ready. I leave it to rest. Now I have my slice of peppers here. I have green, red, and yellow pepper. I'm gonna chop them for the cake, you know. So you chop them nicely, very thinly chopped. Nicely chopped. Aside like this, a little bit of onion, also chopped. You have to chop your onion properly, thinly chop, you know. You add it together with this, you chop them nicely. Okay, stand like this. You add your basil to it, chopped basil. And then you put them together in a bowl. Like this. You add your cumin, your black pepper, your garlic, your paprika, just a spoon. You add your salt, and then you stir it well, properly together. After 10 minutes, we check on our fish, and you can see that it's very fluffy and soft, very tender. So I put it in my plate. And then I use the fork to flex it. Flex it nicely. And then you add it to your seasoning, your fillings that you made. Together, mix it together nicely. Then once you mix it up, now you add your breadcrumbs. You add your egg to it. 1 egg. Mix them together like this nicely. The egg and the breadcrumbs will help the combination to come together properly. So you can see that it becomes like a paste like this. So you drop some oil in the pan. Drop some oil in the pan like this. And then you start molding it. You put it in your palm like this, and then you make it like this. And then you drop it. Because the fish is already cooked, it doesn't need so much time or so much oil or whatever. It's not deep fried. So you make your ball nicely like this, and then you drop them in the pan. Yeah, I think the 4 portion is okay. So this one, you just need like 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side. So it made 10 minutes. My fish is ready. My fish cake is ready. Let me take it off from the pan. Gently. Let the oil drain nicely, and then from here to the pan, to the plate. Then I put this aside, the lemon here. For the tartar sauce, I add a little bit of lemon juice. Nicely stir, and then you serve it. So your fish cake and the tartar sauce is ready.